Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to use Dola AI application. So first of all, launch Dola AI app. Now, if you already have an account, you can enjoy various features on this application. You can go to the category of chats and you can tap on this pencil-like icon just beside the search icon in order to create a new chat. You can ask for your homework, AI creation, edit your images, get help with writing, translation. You can make AIs read your file, read web page as well. You can simply type a message and you will be getting replied accordingly. You can also turn on the speaker feature in order to get voice text from AI. Now, if you go back, you can also tap on the category of bots. From here, you can see various recommended bots. You can swipe the above category and see various areas you can use bots for. If you tap on the option of plus, that specific bot will be added to your chats category. You can tap on it and talk to that specific bot as well. Now let's go back again. Now, if you tap on the option of create, you can create various images and videos as well. You can add a specific image as a reference. If you swipe these categories towards the left-hand side, you can see various other details you can use in order to create your own AI image. Now, you can also go to the section of profile. From here, if you tap on the gear icon, you can also change the voice of the AI. So if you tap on the option of voice, you can see various recommended voice. You can choose any one of it and the AI will be responding to you in that specific voice. Once you choose a voice, you can tap on the option of use at the top right corner. Now over here you can see various options and details you can do on your Dola account. So you can use Dola AI application for various purposes shown in this video. It's a convenient AI application to use. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.